Hi friends, welcome to consumer behavior subject. Today we are going to see a topic of personality and its concepts. Myself is Manjuna D, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. Friends, before going to meaning for personalities, let me see how this word has been derived, where it has been taken from. So, personality is the word which is taken from the Latin word called persona. That means the mask which worn by the actors while playing their role in the dramas. That means each individuals play a different role or a different situation. People play a different show personalities in different way. So personality, if you're able to abbreviate, so personality P stands for perception capacity, E stands for emotional maturity, then R stands for responsiveness out to the situation, how individual will be response to the different situation in a different way, how socially they will be sociable and how originality they will be having and how N stands for neutrality, A stands for how they are going to appear in a different situation in a different way. So L stands for leadership feelings towards the group, or might be how I stands for integrity and tendency. This we'll see it in upcoming slides. So coming to the meaning of personality, it is a sum total of way in which the individual react and interact with others. So that means how individual will play a different way. If you're able to see this image, you are able to see a different same personality will be playing a different way, different in a different situation. So personality is a pattern of stable state and characters, how the character will be shown by the individuals in a different situation, how this character will influence on his behavior towards the goal achievement. So yeah, for personality is nothing but a thoughts, or it might be a feelings, or it might be a behavior of an individuals in a different situation. That's what we can call as a personality. If you take it as a nature of personality, it is a set of trait and behavior that characterized by the characterized and individual. So it is a trait, it is a set of qualities, it is a set of behavior of individuals. So which they are going to show it in their behavior. So normally, see, coming to the next nature, so it relatively stable patterns. Normally, then it is going to be stable in a different situation, and it is having a consistent internal state of explanation of our individual behavior and tendency. So personality has both internal thoughts and as well as external thoughts. So internal thoughts are nothing but thoughts or values or genetic characteristics which are inferred from the observation and behavior, which are there within the individual. So external factors might be factors might be observation how the individual will be behave in a different way by observing the different things in a different elements. So coming to the next characteristics, personality is an individual relatively stable in nature, so it will remain stable in nature. So personality is both inherent and as well as it can be shaped by the environment. So it is sometimes the thoughts will be inherent or sometimes thoughts will be developed by individuals by observing the environment or behaving in a different situation. Coming to the big five personality traits which we can able to see normally in the society, first one is extraversion. That means these kind of people normally they are having a trait of a characteristic or a trait of they are quick temperedness and social ability and talkativeness, and they are a high amount of emotional expressiveness. These people are very much talkative and they will be very much quick, they are reacting to the situation, and they are very much talkative to this in a society. So next is agreeableness. So these kind of people attributes such as trust, they are very much trustworthiness, and they are very kindness, and they are very much affectionate people, and other pro-social behavior. So are good nature and cooperative, and normally they are going to cooperate for each other, and they are trustworthiness. Coming to the one more type of personality, that means consciousness people. These people are very much high level of thoughtlessness and with good impulsive control and good directed behavior and responsible. They are very much responsible and they are very dependable and persistent to the situation. So coming to this emotional stable people, these kind of people are having a trait of tend to experience emotional instability and anxiety, moodiness and irritability, and these people are very much sadness and calm and self-confidence and positive depressions. Coming to the openness to express kind of people, these kind of people are having a trait of such as imagination, their insight and though they are high in their trait, also tend to have a broad range of interest, artistic and sensitive and intellectualism. So let me see the different types of personalities which we can see it in society. So first one is perfectionist. These people are very much realistic and consciousness and very much principled people. So taking example of this kind of perfectionist, Narayan Murthy, Infosys CEO of Narayan Murthy, is a very much perfectionist. He is very much realistic and he is very much consciousness and a very much principled person in their life. So moving to the one more type of persons, they are the helpers. So that they are warm and concerned and nurturing and sensitive other people to other people's needs. So take example of Mother Teresa. They are very much sensitive and they are very sensitive to the other people. They are very emotional and they are very much empathetic to people who are there for the society. Coming to the romantic people, they have sense belongingness, sensitive peoples, and they are warm and perceivedness. That is M.F. Hussain, great Indian painter. So they are very much sensitive to people. They are warm to the perceptives. So coming to the observers, so they have a need for knowledge and introverted, curious and analytical and insightful. Like if you take example for this kind of observers, Amartya Sen, a great economist, we can able to call it as. Coming to the one more kind of personalities, that is achievers. They are energetic and optimistic people. They are self-assured and good-oriented. Like example, so Sachin Tendulkar in cricket. So coming to the questionnaires, so these are the questionnaires. These are the people who are responsible and trustworthy people. Shabnam Hazmi is one of the example for that questionnaires. So adventurous, they are very much energetic and lively, optimistic. They wanted to contribute towards the society. Like for example, Lakshmi Mittal, NRI Lakshmi Mittal. So like asserters, they are all directed and self-reliant, self-confident and proactive people. For example, T.N. Seshan, Chief Election Commissioner, they are very much self-reliant and self-confident and very much protective. So coming to the next one more first type of personalities, that is they are receptive, good-natured and supportive. They seek union with others and the world around them. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, we can able to call the pacemaker. So this is a summary till now we have gone through with that. So this is a reference you can able to follow for more information. Thank you.